A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. Hello children. Today we are going to start fourth lesson of our value education book, and the title of our chapter is Let Us Read and Grow. The title itself acknowledges us about the content of the chapter, Read and Grow. Reading is a great motivation for an individual. The more individual reads, the more his comprehending and understanding skills improve. The habit of reading goes parallel with the attainment of knowledge. Children, there are so many personalities who succeeded in their life with the help of reading. Let me introduce some of those personalities. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was great scholar and a leader. He was born in rich family of Ratnagiri on July 23rd. When his marriage was fixed, he declared that he would not take dowry, but bride's party forced him to take dowry, and at last he asked for some good books as a dowry. Tilak developed his habit of reading in his early age, and by the help of reading, he became a great leader. Next personality is Abraham Lincoln. He was the President of America and born and brought up in a very poor family. Still, by his saving, he made a library at home. He read Holy Bible, history of United States of America, etc. He noted down whatever touched his heart, and he succeeded in life by the habit of reading. Next is Maxim Gorky. He was a famous writer. He lost his parents when he was 10 years old, and he worked as a cobbler to earn livelihood for his family. He used his spare time in reading, which directed him towards writing, and slowly he became a famous literary writer. Next is Dr. Samuel Johnson. When he was young, he was completely disturbed with his sickness and poverty, but his interest of reading directed him towards writing dictionary of 4,000 words. Later on, he became a renowned poet, essayist, and dramatist. Next is Michael Faraday, the famous scientist. He stopped his schooling at the age of 10 to earn money for his family. Once someone brought an encyclopedia in that he read the explanation of electricity very passionately and started experimenting with whatever he read, and slowly Faraday made an electric generator which was noticed by the world, and that made an industrial revolution in Europe. We all of us know about Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. He spoke in his autobiography about many books which made an impact on his life. The message of the book, Unto This Last, helped him to identify with the poor. Even our former Prime Minister, Shrimati Indira Gandhi, inspired to become a political leader by the biography of Joan Arc. Behind the successful lives of all the great personalities and saints, there is a history of deep reading and learning. Children, now let us see what are the benefits of reading in our daily life. Reading leads to good thinking. Today's reader is tomorrow's leader. Reading habit activates our memory. Good reading leads us to build up a good character. Good reading enhances our skills for good communication. Reading increases our vocabulary. Reading is a door to knowledge. Sant Chawra reminds us about the impact of bad books. Bad books are like fire kept in straw. Bad books will spoil our character and life. The following event will let you know how bad books spoil our life and character. Once a priest visited a jail and gave a book to a boy there. When he visited the jail second time, the boy said, I was reading bad books all these years. My friends were bringing them to me. I read all them in secret. If I had read good books like this, I would not have been here. Children, we must read good books like spiritual books, autobiographies, biographies, travel logs, and other inspirational books to grow intellectually, emotionally, and spiritually in life. Let us do some work to improve reading habit. Make a library in your classroom and at your home. Make a list of books you will read this year. Plan a schedule to ensure regular reading. And read good books and prepare notes regularly. These all will surely help you. Children, hope you better understood about the impacts of reading in our life. Thank you.